Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, crazy cat artist. This kitty's climbing up a hill, which you could also make this kitty climbing upstairs. You just got to put the stairs in the right place. So I'm just mapping kitty out, getting the general shapes really loosely. If you try to focus on details at this stage, that's where things will get tight, and you want to get just a loose form, and then you can refine things a little or a lot. And this is a really good stage for making corrections. And all those extra lines are just going to fade into background tone after, once you get the thicker, bolder lines down. What kind of mission is this kitty on? And you know, I love tails because you can change the shape of tails somewhat as long as they still look natural. And I've kind of put that happy cat kind of tail on this one with the question mark tail, it's often called. The little crook at the top. Now I'm strengthening up the lines that I want to keep. Get that natural cat shape. Still being pretty loose. I want to keep this kitty loose and lively. I love to hear from you, so please do drop me a comment about yourself or your cat or where you live in the world or what you want to learn about cat drawing. Help us build this awesome community of crazy cat artists. Glad you're part of it. And get that little smirk in there. I love to get a smirk on my kitties' faces. Some kind of emotion anyways. It's not always a smirk. Might be grumpiness or whatever. Whatever fits the mood. I like happy cats. We want to keep our cats happy, don't we? Really liking Kitty's shape now. Got to be really careful at the end stages because it's easy to overdo it and then you lose the life in the wonderful gesture drawing. Some tabby stripes. Not worrying about where I actually see them, but just putting them where it will help the composition of the drawing and add movement. I just have fun with them. Now it's time to put whiskers on. Don't want the whiskers to stand out too much, so an eraser is handy for that. Thanks for watching.